Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to bring relief to our furry friends dealing with itchy, irritated skin. We discovered this wonderful product online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Today, we're reviewing the Douxo S3 Calm Dog Shampoo for itchy skin relief. This shampoo is specifically formulated for dogs and cats suffering from allergies and itching, which can be a distressing problem for both pets and their owners. With a convenient 16.9 fluid ounce bottle, this shampoo is designed to help soothe and calm irritated skin while also promoting overall skin health. One of the standout features of Douxo S3 Calm is that it is clinically proven to show results in as little as 7 days. That's right, within just 1 week, you may see significant improvements in your pet's skin condition. This speedy relief can be a game changer for pets who are constantly scratching, licking, or chewing at their skin due to discomfort. The formulation is particularly beneficial for dogs with sensitive or allergic skin. If your pet is exhibiting signs of distress such as persistent scratching, biting, or excessive licking, this shampoo could be the solution you've been searching for. It's designed to provide instant relief and support skin comfort, making bath time a more pleasant experience for both you and your pet. Now, let's talk about what makes Douxo S3 Calm truly special. It contains 0.75% amphitryon, a natural and purified ingredient that plays a critical role in soothing irritated skin and helping to maintain skin hydration. This ingredient works synergistically to restore the skin barrier and protect against further irritants, which is essential for pets with sensitive skin. Another great aspect of this shampoo is what it doesn't contain. Douxo S3 Calm is free from soaps, sulfates, parabens, colorants, nanoparticles, and phthalates. This means you can trust that you're using a product that is safe for your pet's skin and health, allowing you to wash your pet without worrying about harmful additives. So, who is this product suitable for? Douxo S3 Calm is ideal for dogs and cats of all breeds and ages that are experiencing skin issues associated with allergies or irritations. It's particularly helpful for pets who have a history of allergy-related skin problems, making it a perfect addition to your pet care routine. Practical use cases are plentiful. For instance, if your dog has just returned from a trip to the dog park and is scratching more than usual, a bath with Douxo S3 Calm can provide immediate relief. Similarly, if you notice your cat is frequently grooming itself to the point of irritation, this shampoo can help soothe its sensitive skin. In addition to alleviating itching and discomfort, regular use can help maintain your pet's skin health over time. It's not just about addressing the symptoms, it's about providing long-term care and support for your furry friend. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable shampoo to help manage your pet's itchy skin, the Douxo S3 Calm Dog Shampoo may be just what you need. With its clinically proven results, soothing ingredients, and gentle formulation, it offers a safe and effective way to improve your